it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me, we have a beautiful 1965 Cobra. This is a Factory 5 replica. Extremely nice build. So we have a nice photo book showcasing all of the wiring, the engine going in, and all the panels getting painted. This is a top tier one if you guys are looking for a turnkey unit, aluminum heads, a nice list of modifications. This is it. Wait till you see the underside. We're gonna do a comprehensive walk around and test drive and let you decide if you wanna put this in your garage. Let's do it. The overall condition, I would rate this one easily an 8.5 out of 10. Shows extremely well. Paint quality is exceptional. The stripes are actually painted on and they have pinstriping. You cannot feel the difference in the actual paint. It's that nice. When you open up the hood, which we're going to do later on, you're going to be blown away by the condition of the actual engine, all the brackets they use, and all the components they used. You have bare brakes in the front, and then you have disc brakes in the rear, so that's four-wheel discs, which is very, very nice for the power level that this has. This probably produces 440 to 450 horsepower. Interior is extremely nice. All of your body lines are even. I love the accents that they did. So they didn't do a chrome hoop. They actually did it in a brushed finish. Also, you have carbon fiber accents right here, which just flow with the actual interior with all the black. Your wheels and tires are in very good condition. You do have a staggered set of. Your side pipes are very nice, and the coating is exceptional. No one's burned their leg yet on it, so that's how you can tell. Rear section on this quarter is very nice. All of your lights operate as they should. And please take a moment to click on the link below. You're gonna have the full gallery and you're gonna actually see the build book showcasing how nice that wiring is. It looks like an airplane behind there. Let's spin it. Taking a look at the passenger side, it is the same as the driver's side. All of your body gaps are very nice and even. My favorite part about this car is a sticker on the windshield. This has gone through the tail of the Dragon. So I can imagine how much fun and how many smiles were happening as they were doing the 318 turns on that actual mountain. We've done it before in big trucks and motorcycles. This has got to be a hoot. You're probably sliding around some of the corners. Exhaust pipes on this side are very nice. Your doors open up evenly. I didn't show you the driver's side, but you'll see that when we get inside. Very nice finishes. I love how they put the rubber here, so you're not going to have any issues with the fiberglass. Doors close nicely. Carbon fiber here is extremely nice. You have your airplane-inspired fill cap, which is clean and sealed properly. Close it like that. You have a nice little trunk in here. I'm going to spin it so you guys can see how beautiful the front end is, and then we'll show you the tail end, get inside it, and show you the power plant. Take a look at how beautiful this front end is. It's all even throughout. All of your lights operate. You have the faux hooks up here for your to grab. As if it was a real race car, you could lift up the front. Underneath is very nice, just minor stress cracks right here, minor imperfections. I know there's a little bitty imperfection on the driver's side fender, but otherwise extremely nice. That's why we give it an 8 out of 10. This is a showstopper. When it starts up, it sounds so beautiful, and we're gonna show you that later on. Let's show you the rear end, show you the little trunk compartment, and you guys can decide if you want to put this in your collection. It's extremely nice in the rear, minor imperfection, just a small little chip on the stripe here, and I love the color combination of this one. So you have the dark silver metallic with the light silver metallic stripe, and it's so even throughout, and I love how they brought it through the cabin, to the hood, all the way to the bottom of the vehicle. These are really fun to drive, and we're gonna show you that later on today. You're gonna get all of the sounds, all of the burbles. You're gonna have bald eagles coming out of these tips, and some corn dogs. I'm gonna eat a corn dog after this for sure. But let's take a look at the inside and go over more of that. Let's take a look at the interior. Easy to open up the doors. Once again, I love that they put the rubber here to protect the fiberglass. You have a little pocket here in case you want to put your registration. I love that they match the interior. Seats are a pebble vinyl that show very well. You do have a 4-point harness from Simpson. In order to open it, just like an airplane, pull it out, and then you're going to get inside. I'm 6 foot, 210 pounds, and I fit in here very nicely. A lot of space for my foot box. So foot box is essentially where the pedals are. I'm not going to confuse the brake with the gas, the clutch, etc. Shifter feels good, 5-speed transmission. Dash is very nice. You have odometer gauges throughout. 13,000 miles on it, so this one has been tried and tested, which I love. Taking a look under the hood, we have a Ford Performance small block, aluminum heads. You have the signature side pipe exhaust, Holley carburetor. You have a Weiland intake. And I want you guys to look at the gallery. Click on the link below and see how beautiful this engine bay is. It's not like the regular kit car that you would see put together. This was done properly. You still even have a blower motor for inside the cabin, and it was done to such a T. I love how they did the bracket. You have your control arms up here, your upgraded brakes. All of the bushings look really good. Steering box looks good, and I like how everything was paint marked when they put it on there. So you know that the person that put this together was engineering this in their mind as they assembled it, and wait till you see us take it for a test drive, which we're gonna do right now. Before we take this beautiful Cobra for a test drive, I wanna thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please be sure to click like and subscribe below, because that gives the whole team here a round of applause, and we continue to create cool content like this. Also, if you wanna support us, we have merchandise. So I'm wearing our Land Air Sea hat, along with our Just Buzzing shirt, which is just in time for the Fort Lauderdale Air Show. So if you guys love planes and beaches, take a look down there. All right, we're gonna test out this Factory 5 Cobra, Ford Performance engine, aluminum heads, and it has some power. So I just tested it out earlier. Second gear, you're spinning until the top of second. Third gear, you start to feel like you're in a spaceship. All of my gauges are working, so all my odometer gauges are working. You got 60 pounds oil pressure at temperature. You have your cooling fan right here. Water temperature is good. Fuel is full. Our voltage is good. I have the fan on right now, and our oil temperature is starting to rise here. Got a little bit of drizzling here. We're gonna try to pass in just one little cloud. Actually, it's like every time. Jumping onto 84 right now. Oh, it sounds so good. Nice and smooth. Fourth gear. No engine ticking. Fifth is at 45 at 1500 RPM. Downshifting's easy, and it's got a lot of power. We're gonna go over the Marina Mile Bridge, let you guys see this thing in action. We'll turn around, get an accelerated run in second gear, and then you guys can decide if you want to put this in your collection. Very, very smooth. Brakes are very even. Everything works. I want you guys to click on the link below to see the underside shots, four-wheel disc brakes. This is not your typical Factory 5. This was done properly. There's no vinyl on it. Everything's paint. It's just beautiful. The steering wheel is very comfortable. Steering is very responsive. Going into fifth, no issues at all. We're going to do our U-turn up here, and then we'll go over the signature bumps to show you how the suspension reacts. But let's do it. Signal on right now. Oh, it sounds nasty. It's angry. All right, let's test out the acceleration. Feels good. I had to feather it in second. First gear, I just shifted early into second. But this is a cruiser. Brakes are even. I can push the brakes with no issues. Downshifts are even. This is a really fun one. If you guys are looking for a Cobra replica, look no further. We're going to make a right here, go over our signature bumps, and let you decide if you want to put this in your garage. Once again, if you have any questions, give us a call. 954-363-2261. Music to my ears, baby. Here come the signature bumps, so it's two significant bumps and then a big dip, so you can see how the suspension reacts. Put the lights on, we're going under the tunnel here, the first set of bumps. No issues at all, no rattling, here's the big dip.